The coefficient of determination. Interactive calculator helps engineers analyze how well their regression models explain variance in observed data. This calculator offers 5 calculation modes through a drop-down menu. Calculate R2 from data points, calculate adjusted R2, calculate from correlation coefficient, calculate from residual analysis, and calculate F statistic from R2. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate R2 from data points. For this mode, you'll enter your observed values comma-separated, like 12.5, 15.3, 18.7, 22.1, 25.9. Then input your corresponding predicted values the same way: 13.2, 16.1, 18.4, 21.8, 25.5. After clicking Calculate, the calculator processes your data and returns the coefficient of determination. This R-squared value indicates the proportion of variance in your observed data that's predictable from your model. The calculator also provides the mean values, sum of squares components, and other statistical measures that help you assess your model's goodness of fit. A higher R-squared generally indicates a better fitting model, though you should always consider it alongside other diagnostic metrics. Find the link in the description below.